Hi garden friends, happy Sunday. So I have here this cute owl planter, and I've made a drainage hole at the bottom, and I've got all of these plants planned out for it, so we'll see if that works out. So let me show you what I've got. So I've got two of these Sedum Pachyphyllums, and they're called jelly beans. Super cute. I love the green, that soft mint green. I also have, this is a Crassula blue wave. You can see why it's called blue wave. It grows wild. Also an Echeveria morning beauty, super powdery pink, super cute. I love it. One of my favorite Echeverias for sure. And I know I say that a lot, but for sure that one. This one here is a Dudleya variety, maybe Dudleya farinosa, but I'm not sure. Also, some Sedum, little Missy, dainty, cute pink variegated succulent. And this one I know as Aeonium Spathulatum, but I may be wrong. So I'm just going to start out with my screen here and put that at the bottom. Get some soil. Take that big twig out. Okay, that's good. And that one and that one. All right. And instead of stones today, I'm going to try and fill out the little spaces with moss. Since it's a little owl planter, I thought that it would make it look a little more earthy. See how that works. Okay, so I'm going to start with the little Missy, and I will start that in the front. So to the side over here on the left side of the eye here. Make a well here for my sedum. And let's see. I'm gonna kind of try to comb these little stems to one side, and I'm gonna tuck it in right here. Oh, that's gonna look super wild. Oh my gosh. Okay, tuck all those roots inside. And I'm just making sure that it's looking okay in the front. It's gonna look wild anyways, and that's the whole point. But I'm gonna move these over here. Cool. So I'm gonna, oops, lost the little stem there. That's okay. I'm gonna shift this soil and press it down so it'll anchor it down so it'll stay in place. Okay, and I kind of want it more to the side, so I'm gonna try and shift these stems there. Okay, that's gonna work. So I'm gonna anchor them down with this little ear part. All right, not bad. So I'll show you how it's looking, just like that. So it won't be like in the front, like covering the cute little face, but onto the side. Right. And I will put the Aeonium Spathulatum right over here. Just make sure that that root system is nice and covered. Make a well on the side here. Grab this little cluster, try not to take it apart, and just tuck it in, just like that. And you know what? I'm not gonna be able to fit everything. No way, not today. I'm gonna center this a little more so you can get a better look. I'm gonna get more soil. Perfect. All right, not looking too bad. So you can see the front there. That's so cute. Oh, I love the colors, how they match the little the little eyes and this little part over here. Okay, so, decisions. All right, I for sure want this one. So I'll tuck this one right beside the little Missy. Make myself a little well. I add the soil and then it ends up falling anyways. And then I add more. It's a vicious cycle. Okay. So let it be facing this way like that. A little deeper. And tuck it in with the soil. Okay. So that's good. I really want this Dudleya in there because I like the contrast of that like farina. See how white it is? Oh, just love that. So I'm gonna try my best. And this is like a really big stem. It's like thick, wide. So let's see if it fits. I'm gonna try my best and fit it in. All right, here we go. It's gonna need a little more of a deeper well since it's such a thick stem there. And tuck it in there, kind of to the side like that maybe, so I won't really disturb this Aeonium here. Okay, I think that works, and maybe, just maybe, I'll be able to fit everything. So I'm gonna grab the soil that's fallen down. Gonna grab some more. And make sure to tuck in at least the roots. So I'm not tucking in the stem completely, and that's fine, but as long as the roots are nicely dug under the soil, then that's all I really care about. All right. Okay. Not too shabby. All right, all right. Okay, so now for, should I put this smaller one in the middle here? Yeah, I should do that. So I'm gonna grab my knitting needle. There's a twig in there I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna try, this is like a long stem right there, so I'll try to just kind of, with my knitting needle, gently, without breaking it, make that hole, tuck that in. Come on, get in there. Okay. Okay, that's gonna stay put. Cool, cool. So far, so good. Okay. Now I have this one and then this one. Okay, so I'll put this one right beside the Dudleya. Another long stem. Okay, let's see the best way it'll fit in. Maybe like that without breaking the stem. I didn't break the stem, no. Okay. Grab some soil. Okay, there we go. Keep it anchored to that side because it wants to move to the left, but I'm not gonna let it. Okay, and now for this one, and that is a super long stem, and I think that I'm gonna cut it just a little without getting too many roots. So there's still some roots, so it's okay. It's just really long. When the stems are really long, it makes it really hard. For me, at least. I can only speak for myself. Okay, so I'm gonna put it this way. Tuck it in somehow. Boom. Boom, it worked, but I did lose a leaf there. It's a-okay. Okay, there. Ta-da! So that's done. That looks really cute. Okay. Grab a little bit more soil so everything can be nice and covered all the way to the top. All right. Sweet. And it doesn't look like I will need the moss anyways. It's gonna be fine. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my God. Okay, so let me just dust this off. I'm happy that it worked out with all of the plants. When you have succulents that have a ton of farina, like this Dudleya and this Morning Beauty, it's better to use this to dust it off, because then you won't brush off the farina. So that turned out really cute. Let me see if I can show you. Oh, isn't that lovely? So I'm going to turn it around so you can see the back. Look at that. And as you can see, there's a lot of stem showing, but the roots are nicely dug in there in the soil so they can grow. Oh, I really like this one. Yay, it worked out. This was super, super fun. I gotta start making more of these planters. Instead of just the plain old terracotta, just start searching, hunting for the cute planters. Why not? Well, I hope you enjoy your Sunday. I hope you do something that you love today. Last day of the weekend, we all deserve to do something that we really, really want to do. Life's too short, right? So I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time. Bye, guys. Thank you.